I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Goodnovel app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to push the managements, click on it here. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to shoppers update, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's main chapters updated enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.